Yeah, hey, good afternoon to you, Lenise. We did hear from Mayor Stimpson this afternoon about how the mayor is responding to this and the city of Mobile is responding to this. One of the points that he was talking about today was the drastic rise in the number of confirmed cases here in Mobile County, now about 250 cases. He was saying that was because testing is now ramping up here and more positive tests or more tests are coming back after being conducted. So that's why there is that increase, and they believe that these cases were probably already here in our area. There was also talk about a shortage of about $12 million in terms of city revenue from this, a shortfall. Right now they have about $60 million in the reserve fund, so they're not talking about any major cuts to city services yet, but there is a hiring freeze here in Mobile. They're also pulling back on purchases. The mayor says they're looking at everything, but is not ruling anything out, but says no furloughs are imminent right now.
I think employees everywhere are concerned. Airbus employees are concerned. You know, Austin, I don't know anybody that's not concerned. So I probably shot from the hip too quick when I said nobody should be concerned. I mean, that's why we're having these press conferences that every day, trying to make sure we're headed in the right direction, trying to keep people healthy and safe, and we will continue to do that. I'm concerned just like everybody else is.
So they are going to continue to discuss this to try to figure out that shortfall and try to make that shortfall as less as possible, knowing that people are not out and about. Tax revenue is not coming in to be able to keep certain city services open. As of now, nothing is being cut off, but there is that concern that if this goes on too long, they may have to start doing some different cuts, and they have certain things on the table that they are working through right now. And we did just hear also mentioned during this press conference was about a possible talk on masks being either recommended or required by the city of Mobile. We did just hear from the Mobile County Health Department just within the last about 10 minutes or so from Dr. Bert Eichhold recommending that people wear the masks in public. That is a similar recommendation for the Centers for Disease Control recommended last week. If you're out at grocery stores, pharmacies, or pretty much any time out in public, you are recommended to wear a cloth mask, not the N95 respirators or the surgical masks. The reason for that, those masks need to be going towards the medical professionals who are trying to keep people safe and get them feeling better if they're at hospitals and things like that. We're going to stay on top of this story. We'll have more coming up tonight on Fox 10 News at 9 and 10, but for now live in downtown Mobile outside Government Plaza. Tyler Finger, Fox 10 News.